which currently ranks number 1 in the QS rankings. I think BFI program will grow leaps and bounds.
When we were brainstorming as to how we can engage, whom we can engage, and of course, Pilani was one of the top institutes in our list.
And in the country NIRF rankings, we rank 3rd. So I think pharmacy is a strong area.
I think it will resonate very well with BITS, BITS Bioscience Foundation and BFI to take it as a triple-helix approach. Maybe
creating that excitement into the minds of the youngsters, and we can bring them on board so that indirectly, once they come through this process, then they would go for the innovations and entrepreneurships and all the things. And at a very early stage itself, they start getting engaged in the organizations and,
really humble that we could partner with Pilani, which is again a very illustrious institution by its own right. Basically, we're touching base 2 major areas. One is the new biomarker discovery in many infectious disease, number 1. Number 2, the new materials, including nanomaterials for drug discovery. These are 2 major areas which we are sort of inviting the proposals.
I think, of course, the engineering part of it is always there. So engineering, pharmacy, life sciences, I think that kind of a network, if we can establish. So my founder is always, and Dr. Satya is also most of the time, stating the fact that India is a place where affordability can meet innovation.
The network of 150,000 alumni network that BITS that globally. This is something also blockchain for impact would like to leverage.
So we hope that with this BFI program, we can bring many products, can bring many researches to the table that are actually affordable and can do public good.
But here we are looking at something which is a product as an entrepreneur as well.
We need to use blockchain extensively, at least for drug traceability and maintenance of healthcare records, and even the personalized medicine. Once we are able to do that, eventually that will take us towards personalized medicine.
The focus that you have on, like you said, translational research and creating entrepreneurs.
I think we need technologies like blockchain everywhere. When I see tremendous possibilities for blockchain in healthcare sector, in maintaining health records, for example, in the country, the blockchain would have been such a boon, for the whole nation.
So I think this whole training would help, and the people can come on, because we mentioned about the fellowships and all that. Those fellowships can become a very solid part of the supporting the doctoral programs.
The triple helix, the 3 institutions, an academic institution, a non-profit, and some kind of a translational non-profit that BITS Bioscience Foundation can
create a huge impact. And I'm sure many government organizations, BITS also has the technology innovation hub in Goa. Of course, you are heading it while you are here, and they can also join hands with you for scaling up some of these activities. Quite keen to be a partner with you, and of course work with you, work for you. All of these possibilities exist.
I personally feel that it's a wonderful opportunity for both the institutions, organizations basically, that we can do wonders. And I think the strength of each other can really complement so strongly.
And we mentioned India can accelerate, and we want that acceleration piece to be in partnership with your institutions.
I think I see that our organization BFI, working in the healthcare sector, having more and more researchers to work towards implementation of blockchain in all of these sort of verticals, I think can be a game changer for them.
So thank you so much for associating with BITS, and looking forward to a much more long duration continued association.